and gentlemen, this is Azan Arrest Auto. Today I want to make a spare key for a 2005 Honda Pilot. The owner has the regular remote head key, so we are going to do a flip key. I've not put the blade, but I just want to program the remote part of it. Then when I'm done, I will now go ahead to put the blade, put the chip and program it. The programming process is quite simple. Put it on and off 5 times, then you enter the programming mode and you program it. Let's enter the programming mode. You hear the dot click. One more click again. That's program. So we'll test. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Okay. So we'll go ahead and cut the blade for the key. Get the blade, cut it, and put a transponder and program it. Please stay tuned and watch to the end. So we have already done the remote. Now we are going to program the key. Automatic selection with win. Unit, mobilizer, the mobilizer system, mobilizer setup. We are going to special functions. We are just to add a key. We just want to add one key. So switch the ignition off, on, so establish communication with the mobilizer unit. So turn it off, turn it on with the new key. Now this is the new key. It's on now. Turn it off. So turn it on. So we're waiting for the mobilizer light to go off. Switch it off. Turn it on. Please wait. The mobilizer light has gone off, indicating it has been programmed. So let us copy the programming process. Does the mobilizer light go off? It's off. So just turn the ignition off. Turn it on. See, it has gone off. The car start. So it has been programmed. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my Facebook page. To test the old key that this one is equally working, and one equally start the car. So we now have the owner's key and the new key that has been done, which can also lock and unlock. So kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.